How are you?
I am fine.
What is your name?
I am Nitish Kumar.
How old are you?
I am seven, seven years old.
What is your father?
My father is a businessman.
What is your mother?
My mother is a housewife.
Do you have brothers and sisters?
Yes, I have only one
Elder.
elder sister.
Where do you live?
I
I
live in Nerkundram, Chennai.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I have many friends.
What is your favorite subject?
Social is my favorite subject.
Very good. How is your health?
I am fine.
When did you come home?
I came home by 5:30 p.m.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I have lots of friends.
Do you like games?
Yes, I like games.
What is your favorite game?
Cricket is my favorite game.
Who is your favorite player?
Virat is my favorite player.
What game other than cricket you like?
I also like football and hockey.
Do you watch matches on TV?
Yes, I watch as if there is time.
What is your hobby?
I am always playing cricket.
Where do you play?
I play on the street.
Very good. Where are you from?
I am from Chennai.
What is your father?
My father is a carpenter.
What is your mother?
My mother is a tailor.
How old are you?
I am 11 years old.
Do you have brothers and sisters?
Yes, I have an elder sister.
How are you?
I am fine.
How was your school?
It was good.
What was your lunch?
My lunch was rice and sambar.
Do you like sambar?
Yes, I do like.
How are your school teachers?
They are all really good.
How do you go to school?
My mom takes me to school by 2:11.
When does your school start?
My school starts at 9 a.m.
When does your school close?
My school closes at 4 p.m.
Do they give homework every day?
Yes, they are give homework every day.
They give homework.
They give homework every day.
Do you play at home after school?
No, I go to tuition after school.
Tan value வந்து என்ன இப்போ 4/3 அதே மாதிரி 4/3 ஓகேவா பெர்ஃபெக்ட்